This woman, pretty woman, that perfect woman will go there by your side. That God-fearing woman, that kind of woman, brother, go build on yourself. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's perfect now. Oh yeah. Find that rich boy, rich man, sister, go build on yourself. Hello, my beautiful people. How you all doing? We are back again with another talk. Please, thank you very much for my old subscribers. Thank you for everyone that has subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Show your girls some love. Thank you very much for everyone that have watched my video. If you have watched my video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up and like this video, y'all. Thank you very much. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are back again with another one. Today I'm going to be talking about some people, when they have documents, they will say they cannot get married to any man or any woman that don't have document. They forget that it is somebody that gave them that document. Why are you holding on to that document so strong, as if your life depends on it? That is why so many of us out there that are doing this, they lose their husbands, their real husbands, because they will say, I don't want to get married to this man, because I don't want to get married to this woman, because he don't have documents, because of this, because of that. They will use their husband to turn to boyfriend. At the end, they will not be looking for wife or husband. They will not see. Do you think that even if you find that person that have document, that person will end up marrying you? We shouldn't be making these mistakes. A lot of us out there, they are making these mistakes because they will say, because this man does not have document, I will me, not be my class. Make that person your class. They will say, this girl does not have document, I cannot, now my document is fine. You might be true, you might be wrong. That is a very wrong way to do things. Don't think that everybody wants your document. Sometimes some people come to your life because they just love you. So sometimes some people come to your life because that is your husband, that is your ideal husband, that is your bone of your bone. Everybody have their own husband, everybody have their own wife. When you are opportune to get that person that is really yours, grab it, even if that person have document or not. Document is not everything. If you end up having that person to have document, fine, so be it. Stop. Don't let documents stand in your way of your happiness. Don't be too quick to say this person came for my document, this person came because of my document, this person is dating me because of my document, is condoling on my excess because of document. No. Sometimes that person is still in your life because he loves you. Sometimes that person is still in your life because she loves you. If you want that document so badly, you will go and look for white women. Why is it that white women, they give this document? The white women, some of them, they give this document. when a white lady or a white man love you, he love you. He will not think that this girl is here because of my document. This boy is here because of my document. No, we should be thinking negatively. Don't use your hand to throw away that wonderful wonderful man that God has blessed you with, all because he does not have document. Don't use your hand to throw away that wonderful woman that God has blessed you with, all because you don't have document. Don't let document get in your way of happiness. Don't let document get in your way of having a happy home. A lot of people are making this mistake. They are making this mistake everywhere. You can say, what of those ones that have try it and the man end up disappointed them, or the woman end up in disappointed them. All figures are not equal. Mr. H tried it. It did not favor him. That does not mean that yours will not favor you. Mrs. B tried it, did not favor her. That does not mean that yours will not favor you. That does not mean that you will follow the same step. Sugar is very sweet but dangerous to our earth, but we still eat sugar. You cannot say you have experienced 1 or 2 in relationship that you will not get married. That is a lie. You are lying to yourself. Now you now have opportunity to be happy. This man don't have document and you have document. This man don't have document and you have document, or this man don't have document and you have document. You want to let that person go because of document. Some people are too stingy because of this document. What is document? Some people will use that man to, he will make that juice out of that man. He will use that person. At the end, he will throw that person away like a rag. You think God will forgive you? God will never forgive you. You that is doing this. You that is doing this, you know that person loves you. You are dealing with that person. You are misusing that person as if you are the government. Why can't us be living right? Why can't you love that person the way that person loves you? Who told you everybody came for your document? Who told you that everybody are interested in your document? Nobody is interested in your document. Some people came because they love you. Some people came because they see a fusion in both of you. Some people came because they want to settle down. They want to have a family. Not everybody came for document. Not everybody that don't have document that came for document. They came because they want to have a family with you. They want to be happy. Maybe some they love children. They want to make family. He engage you. The person finally engage you. You say no, I cannot, and no, I cannot accept this engagement because he's looking for my document. He want to lure me to marriage. Maybe finally the person get married to you. You say, I see they wash him. 1 year you are still washing him. 2 years, 3 years, 4 years you are still washing. What are you doing? If that man is in your shoe, if that woman is in your shoe that you are doing this, will you be happy? Will you be happy? You will not be happy if somebody is doing this to you, or if somebody is doing this to your children. You will not be happy. You will not. I know some people have tried this. They date somebody that don't have documents. After the person now get his document, then he will now run away. Then his behavior will not change, because first of all the way we were doing during when both of you were in that relationship, we resort to that. When you respect that person, even when you have document, you respect that person, and finally you easily give that person that document, that person have that document, and that person disappoint you, that person that disappoint you will never go scot-free. Law of karma will catch up with that person. If you don't know this. Law of karma will catch up with that person. Then you will not know that it's not your fault. We should not be too stingy, too stingy with this document. We should not be too evil. We should stop maltreating people because of documents. You are dating this guy, you are dating this girl, you are maltreating him because of documents. It's not good. What about if things turn around tomorrow? Will you be happy? My brothers and sisters, you are doing this. It's not the right thing to do. We should change from our evil ways. We should change from our evil ways. What we are doing is not right at all. You see some next person that is ready to settle with you, give him that document. Let him be happy. Free him. That person will live to respect you. Sometimes we shouldn't be looking for already made. Sometimes you shouldn't. I'm not saying that already made is not good, but sometimes already made is not good. You shouldn't be looking for already made. Make your thing yourself. Make it yourself. It will help you a lot. It will help you a lot. Thank you for listening to me. For those that have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for listening to me. God bless you. Have a blissful day. Bye bye.